triplets. And they bought me a Poopsie, Cutie, Tootsie's surprise. I can't believe it. These are my favorite things in the whole world, I think. Look, so you can collect 25 plus Cutie Tooties with 25 different slimes. Whoa, this one's hard. That's strange. The other one was squishy. So I wonder if we'll get crunchy, bouncy, water slime, marshmallow slime, or putty slime. Let's take a look and see. Oh, you know what? I just remembered there's this way to do it. Whew, silly me. Okay, let's see. What slime do you think is gonna be inside? And not only what slime, but what color? Oh boy. I'm so excited. What? I don't see any slime. It's just silver. Doesn't feel like slime. What in the world? I'm so confused. Oh, there's the slime. Okay, I was getting worried for a minute there. Oh, wow. Do you see this? It's golden slime. Magical golden slime. Wow. Okay. Ooh, now, I'm not a slime doctor, but if you are, let's try to figure out what type of slime this is. Okay, so look, it's stretchy, and there's magical golden stars. Wow. I think it might be the bouncy slime. Let's see. It's definitely the bouncy slime. You guys can go ahead and play with that. I wonder which one is inside here. Let's open it up together and find out. Oh, it's green. I wonder if it's a little froggy. Oh, wow. She's so beautiful. Look at her beautiful unicorn horn and her magical golden crown. Wow. And those beautiful green eyes. Here you go, buddy. Oh. Okay, now let's take a look and see which one it is. Ooh, these are all so magical. Ooh, I really want rain. No, I thought it was that one for a minute, but it can't be that one. What? It's not on this. Oh, there's a back. Silly me. What? There he is. It's Hops. Hops. So purple. Let's see what purple means. Ooh, it's an ultra rare. That is so exciting. Wow, Hops, you're so special. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.